saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glow.
So we are going to change the bed sheets, guys. So Hailey wiped down the furniture already, guys. The headboard, the television, and our bedside table.
Jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together, together it's always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it, how you turned everything around. I will always remember it, how you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together, together it's always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah.
Okay guys, so the bed is ready. The bed is now clean again.
Hi.
I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this.
Hello guys! So tapos na guys ang trabaho ko sa taas, and now I'm going to continue working here, but now it's time for me to cook for lunch guys. So for today's menu, I'm going to cook pancit bihon, and also guys, today is my dad's birthday, but he is now in heaven. Yes, so kaya magluluto ako ng pancit for him guys. Yes, for my dad's birthday. Yes. So, magluto na tayo, guys. This offering, guys, is for my dad. Yes, so we also have 3 candles here. Hello, guys! So, yes, guys, after cleaning, guys, no, I mean, after cooking, and then my husband arrived, and he said that there are 2 positive cases at work. So yes, so my husband now is wearing the mask all the time, and tomorrow he's going to do the test guys. Yes, and praying, and hopefully he's negative. Yes, my husband is here. Yes, ay ano pala guys, nagtupi pala ako ng damit. After that, nandoon pa ako. Okay, so my husband, how is my husband?
Your husband is waiting that the doctor will call
And do the test.
to make the test of coronavirus 2019.
Yes, guys. So he's wearing mask since right after he arrived. He went to take a bath right away, guys. Yes, and then he had lunch. And then, yeah, he called people, he called pharmacies if they have this rapid test, but this rapid test kit, but they have not.